In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Pandadoc subscription. Whether you've decided to switch to a different service or you simply no longer need Pandadoc, I'm here to guide you through this straightforward process. By the end of this video, you'll have successfully cancelled your subscription, freeing you from unwanted charges. Let's get started. First, head over to the Pandadoc website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. It's important to ensure you're using the correct account credentials, as this will take you to your personal workspace where all your account settings reside. Once logged in, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen and there you'll find an option labelled Settings. Click on that. This is your central hub for managing account preferences and settings. So remember, it's always a good place to explore if you're managing anything related to your account. Within the settings menu, direct your attention to the left panel. You'll see an option there titled Billing. Click on this. The billing section is where you handle everything related to your payment methods and subscriptions. Here, you'll be able to view the details of your current subscription plan. In the billing settings, browse through your plans until you locate your current subscription plan. This section is crucial as it provides a detailed overview of what you're currently subscribed to and ensures that you're cancelling the correct service. As you examine your current subscription, you should notice an option that says cancel subscription or something similar. It's typically quite clear and easy to spot. Click on this option when you're ready to proceed with the cancellation. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your decision to cancel the subscription. This part is vital as these prompts will often ask for confirmation, ensuring that you haven't accidentally started the cancellation process. Take a moment to read through any notices or warnings, which may include information about what happens to any outstanding documents or templates. Once the cancellation is confirmed, you should receive a notification as a confirmation of the completed action. And there you have it. You've successfully cancelled your Pandadoc subscription. This process should only take a few minutes, but it's always a good idea to check your email for any confirmations from Pandadoc, just so you have a record of your cancellation. I hope you found this guide easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and if you have any further questions or need more assistance, feel free to leave a comment. Have a great day.